So here we ordered Domino's Pizza. First time I've tried it in Bangkok. With some lava cake. And also garlic bread. So how much does a medium-sized pizza cost through Domino's Pizza in Bangkok, Thailand? Well, here I'm going to show you now what we get for 339 baht. So for 39 baht, 339 baht, I did order one lava cake, so I got one little dessert. Next, I ordered garlic bread, but it wasn't the garlic bread that I was expecting like in Australia. Like it's this flat sort of garlic bread that I actually got. But what I'm going to show you is the pizza, because the pizza we were able to order it with a few different toppings on it. So you got a quarter of each different type of topping. So this was 339 baht. I got a lava cake, I got that flat garlic bread, and this is what else I got. So here you've got this medium-sized pizza. And the medium-sized pizza, it looks like there was some sort of cheesy flavour, Hawaiian, sort of going around, some pepperoni, and then a sort of supreme mix. And so for the 339, we got our lava cake, our mixed pizza, and our garlic bread. So that's what we got for 339 baht at Domino's Pizza in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm just going to say, I was just trying the pizza, and the garlic bread's very so-so. In Australia, it's much better, the garlic bread. The pizza is about the same standard here in Bangkok, Thailand. So if you're just after a good pizza, and it's a reasonable price, like our local Italian place where we go to get our Italian-Japanese place, where we go to get our good Italian-style pizza, has a lot of flavour, very good, but it's also a bit more expensive. And I found that Domino's is actually cheaper. And yeah, so Domino's is okay. You get your thick crust as you would in Australia, and yeah, the flavour's about the same. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you're travelling from Australia and you're used to your Domino's pizza, then you're going to get about the same flavour here for your pizza. And there was a lot of different deals, like there normally is in Domino's Pizza, like 2 for 1, 3 for 1. I think there was a 3 for 199 baht or something, I forget, or 299 baht. But there was a few different deals there that were online that were in there when you walked in there, and they explained them all. But I do like this sort of pizza option where you get like 4 different flavours in one pizza. That's pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, Domino's Pizzas is not bad here if you're after a pizza. Lava cake from Domino's. Look at this lava cake, or chocolate sort of dripping from the top. Now that's a lava cake. It's really tasty too.